Today I will discuss the operations on decimals. The first one is addition of decimals. How do we add number 1, 0.251 plus 0.14 plus 0.312? The procedure here is we have to align all the decimal points in the vertical position. 0.251, 0.14, 0.312. So to add this, we have to align the decimal points and proceed now to addition. 1 plus 2 is 3. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1 is 10. Bring down 0, carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7. And then write also the decimal point aligned to the 3. Then write here 0. So the answer here is 0.703. The second one, 24.98 plus 35.143 plus 6.15. Again, our procedure here is align vertically the decimal points. So we have aligned the decimal points. You have to align also the digits. And proceed now to addition. So here we have 3. Bring down 3. 8 plus 4, 12 plus 5, 17. Bring down 7, carry 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. Plus 1, 11. Plus 2, plus 1, 12. Bring down 2, carry 1. Then 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 5, 10, plus 6, 16. So bring down 6, carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3, 6. So our answer is 66.273. That's it. Our next is subtraction. Example, we have 0.823 minus 0.512. Number 2, we have 0.986 minus 0.599. And number 3, we have 25.824 minus 4.893. So to subtract this one, we have arrange this vertically and align all the decimal points. We have 0.823 minus 0.512. 3 minus 2 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, and 8 minus 5 is 3. Write the decimal point aligned to these 2 points, then bring down 0. So the answer here is 0.311. Another, we have 0.986 minus 0.599. 6 minus 9 cannot be. We have to borrow 1 from 8. And we have now 16 minus 9. That is 7. And here becomes 7. Since we borrowed 1 from 8, what remains is 7. We have 7 minus 9 cannot be. Let's borrow 1 from 9. This becomes 17 and this is 8 now. 17 minus 9 is 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. Write the decimal point and bring down 0. So the answer here is 0.387. Number 3, minus 4.893. 4 minus 3 is 1. Borrow 1 from 8. We have 12 minus 9. It is 3. This is 7. 7 minus 8 cannot be. We have to borrow 1 here. Becomes 4. 17 minus 8 is 9. 4 minus 4 is 0. Bring down 2. Align the decimal point. Right here also the decimal point. So the final answer is 20.931. How about this one? Let us subtract this one. Subtract 3.65 and 0.8. Bring this down. 6 minus 8 cannot be. So we have to borrow 1 from here. This is 2. Since we borrow 1. So we have 16 minus 8 is 8. 2 minus 0 we have 2. So the final answer is 2.85. That's all about subtraction, and let's proceed to multiplication. To multiply these numbers, we have to arrange this vertically. 0.86 times. After the decimal point, we have 2 digits. We have to align the last digits. We have 0.91. You have to align the last digits when multiplying. So 6 times 1 is 6. 8 times 1 is 8. Then 6 times 9 is 54. Bring down 4, carry 5. 8 times 9 is 72. Plus 5 is 77. Add. Bring down 6. 8 plus 4 is 12. Bring down 2, carry 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. And bring down 7. You count here. 1, 2 point, 1, 2 point. So there are 4 after the decimal points. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your product. 0.7826. The same is true with number 2. 3.62 times 0.8. Align the last digits. 3.62 times 0.8. So we have to align the last digits. 2 times 8 is 16. Bring down 6, carry 1. 6 times 8 is 48 plus 1, 49. Bring down 9, carry 4. 3 times 8 is 24 plus 4 is 28. Then that's all. Let's count. 1, 2, 1. So we have 1, 2, 3. 2.896. So the product here is 2.896. Let's review. In multiplying these decimal numbers, we have to arrange this vertically and align the last digits. Let's have division of decimals. Examples for the division of decimals. Number 1, 0.75 divided by 0.3. Okay, 0. We have to arrange this way. 0.75 divided by 0.3. Since we have this decimal point and it is difficult to divide, we have to remove the decimal point by moving this to the right. And we have another decimal point here, so we have to move this again. And move this decimal point here and add 0. So we have 75 divided by 30. So let's use 2. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 3 is 6. Subtract 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 6 is 1. 15 divided by 30 cannot be, so we have to add one decipher here and bring it down and put a decimal point above. We can divide 150 divided by 30. We have 5. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 3 is 15. Subtract 0. So the answer here is 2. Next, we have 24.8 divided by 0.8. So we have to write it this way. 24.8 divided by 0.8. This must be inside and 0.8 must be our divisor. So let us move this decimal here and we have here 248 divided by 8. So we do not have decimal points anymore, so we can divide this easily. 24 divided by 8 is 3. 3 times 8 is 24. Subtract, we have 0. Bring down 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 1 times 8 is 8. Subtract, we have 0. So the answer here is 31. That is how to divide decimal numbers. I hope you understand very well and you can do it without using the calculator so that you can familiarize the operations on decimals. Thank you very much.